In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Drive with Slack seamlessly. This guide is perfect for anyone who wants to improve their workflow by linking two of the most widely used productivity tools today. Let's dive right in. First off, let's get started by opening Slack on your desktop. Once you're in, you'll find your workspace name conveniently located in the top left corner of the screen. Click on it, and this action will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. It's a simple step, but important because from this list you'll want to select Tools and Settings, and then follow it up by clicking on Manage Apps. By doing this, you're essentially opening the door to the Slack app directory through your browser. This directory acts like the central hub for all app integrations within Slack, and it's really your gateway to enhancing functionality. Now, with the Slack app directory open, you will notice a search bar at the top. This is where you need to type in Google Drive and then hit enter. Once you've done that, you should quickly see Google Drive appear in the search results. Just click on it and then select Add to Slack. This step is pivotal as it sets you on the path to linking your Google Drive with Slack, integrating these two powerful tools. Moving on, after you click to add, a new window will pop up asking you for your permission to grant access. This is where you need to click on Allow to let Slack connect to your Google account. Be sure to select the Google account that contains all your important Drive files. It's crucial here because it ensures that you're assigning the right permissions to the files that matter most to you. Once you've given access, you'll receive a welcome message from the Google Drive bot right inside Slack. This confirmation means that your Google Drive account is now successfully linked to Slack, and it's always a relief to have that assurance. Now that we've set up the integration, let's discuss how to share Google Drive files in Slack. Whether you're in a channel or a direct message, sharing a file is straightforward. Just click on the plus icon or the paperclip icon, usually located near the message input area. From the menu that pops up, choose Google Drive, select your file, and then click Share. Slack streamlines this process by adjusting permissions for you, notifying you if the file isn't shared with the intended recipients yet, which helps prevent any accidental exclusions. Lastly, let's quickly mention managing notifications, which, though optional, can enhance your whole experience. You'll get notifications in Slack for comments on Google Docs, shared files, or if access permissions need adjusting. To customize these notifications, simply type gdrive help in Slack. This command gives you a variety of options to tweak the settings to your liking. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Google Drive with Slack. This integration should make collaboration easier and more efficient, allowing you to focus more on what truly matters. Thanks for tuning in, and happy working!